So I have this cell, and if I want students to label different parts of it, there are a few things that I could do. I could just give them this, and I could say, go in and label it, and have them do some of the work, like draw the arrow, add the text box, and type something in there, right? This is, I could do that. I could preload this slide if I wanted to. So I could make text boxes and put them over to the side and put different things in there. And then they could drag the different things around. I could do that. Another thing that I could do though is going back to the master slide, I can actually put placeholders in where I want them to type things. So let me show you how that works. So if I go back up here to View Master, and here's my master slide. So I might want this blank slide, and I might want a different option. So I'm just going to right click on this, and I'm going to hit Duplicate Layout. So now I've got two, but on this one what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in some placeholders. So I'm going to hit Insert, and right here you'll see Placeholder. Now remember, I'm in the master slide editor, so I'm going to get different options up here than if I was over my slides editing the actual slides of my presentation. So I'm going to hit Insert Placeholder, and I'm just going to say Subtitle Placeholder. And when I do that, I can put them over here, and I can change the font size if I want to. And I can add images or arrows if I want. And I can do that as many times as I want, but what's nice about that is, so I'm going to call this, when I come back over here, so on this example we said we could let the kids do it, or we could have this out and they could drag it out, they could type in the text box, or we could type that and they could drag it around. But let's do this. Let's put in our layout cell 2. On this one, they can't move that arrow. All they can do is type in here. So you can really put some placeholders on the slide and let students label it. So those are 3 different ways you can have students label things within Google Slides. But I think it's really handy using that master slide and adding a layout where you can lock that image down.